Hi, good evening. I'm sorry I'm late to post the answers for the readings, for the cards posted in the morning. So, the first was this beautiful green angel, and people who chose the first lot, let's see what the cards hold for you. Beautiful energy of the first. The card is Magician, the World, and two guidance cards. Um, the cards here, the tarot cards here indicate whatever is there currently which you are handling, be it a situation, be it a new job, if you're looking for an assignment, if you're facing a particular situation, if you have any idea in your mind, you are the person who can easily succeed. You have everything with you, and it is just how you use these resources which you have, and you'll definitely succeed in whatever you attempt. If you're looking for a job, then it will happen very soon. If you're trying to adjust into a new situation, it's a very positive card. You'll be able to beautifully do that. um, if you are if you had if you're seeking guidance with regards to love, then even in love relationship it's a positive card, and the relationship has everything, the spice and the sweet, and so it's going to be a great relationship. um, Also, the second card signifies that something is, if it's something is changing, and if you're worrying about it, don't, because something is getting completed. And it's very positive card which says that you have everything and you will get everything which you seek. um, the guidance card says that you are a wise soul, and your soul carries ancient wisdom. So you could be more mature for your age, and you like to help people around, and you also have the means and the knowledge to do so. So it's a beautiful card which indicates your energy. You are a wise person with some who likes to help others and do good things. And the other guidance card is from a very favorite deck of mine, which is the Moonology card deck. This says that the energy is now changing, and things which have been stuck in the past would now start moving for you. And so the situation which seems to be a little stuck, or where you started feeling a little frustrated, everything is going to fall in place soon. Things are gaining momentum, so just be there, hang in there, and take decisions based on your intuition. Follow your intuition. You have all the means to succeed in whatever the situation, or be it your finances, be it your relationships, or be it your career, or whatever is there in your hand. So this was for the first um, set of cards, which was the green angel. And now we go to the second one, which is the pink angel, and let's see what the cards say. Okay, lovely. It's amazing that how the cards are just synchronizing with each other. So you have been doing a journey which had been inwards, and you've been seeking for some answers. Probably you have also reached out or are looking for some kind of guidance, or a mentor who would handhold you and help you, which very soon should be there for you. At this moment you're facing some issues of like things are not happening the way you want, facing issues of a little bit of feeling of abandonment. You're feeling left out, and you're feeling too much of pressure, and things not going the way you want. However, these obstacles whichever you are facing is, you'll be able to soon be able to face them in a better way, because help will come in form of some guide. Could be somebody who is in your circle, more experienced, will be able to guide you and help you out of the situation or the feelings which you are facing. Some of you could be seeing a repetitive pattern, or you could be feeling that things tend to repeat themselves, or it's happening, something or the other is continuously happening in your life. The cards indicate that these issues could be related to your past life. The situation could, whatever it is, could be related to your past life, and it's getting triggered again and again because the past needs to be released. And so seeking a past life regression session, or looking into your past lives through meditation, or even in the current past life, you get it, like this life but something which is in the past, something which is stuck in your heart and which you're not able to release. It's time that you let it go. And beautifully, the Moonology deck, the card, it says, what do you need to release? So you need to really introspect and see that where in life are you feeling stuck, and what is it that you need to release and let go. And once you have done that, you'll definitely be able to find somebody, or a mentor or a guide, who will be able to help you sail through this time. The Blue Angel, let's have a look at the cards here. Beautiful. So the last angel brings the message that you worked hard for something, to achieve something, or you have to work hard for something which you're wanting to get right now. And but you've gained a lot of experience, a lot of wisdom. You're somebody who likes structures, and who's really like to work in a very structured way, or approach any situation in a very structured way, probably with more authority. But the cards warn you to please, not really warn you, the card gives you a guidance to bring in a balance between your physical world and your spiritual world, like your material world and your spiritual world. So don't come under peer pressure. Strike a balance between your needs and your desires, and how you handle it. Don't be chained to them, and don't feel too much either this side or that side. Maintain this balance, and don't let other people force you. The guidance card is this, it says that don't let other people force you into something. You have the experience, you have the wisdom of your knowledge on things from past you've learned. So don't let other people really put that kind of pressure on you, that you are forced to do or take some decisions which you don't really want to take. And the Moonology deck, the card again tells you to strike a balance between being too much spiritual, too much materialistic, and being practical. So you have to be you have to strike that balance and really approach the situation or relationship, or your finances or your career in that sense. So I hope that the guidance resonates with all of you, whatever angel you chose. And I'll be doing this more often. It seems it's a nice way to connect to my cards, and it's a nice way to connect to all you lovely people. If you have liked this, please do like my YouTube channel, which is, I'm just starting to build it up. See you all again soon, maybe next week, with some more interesting layouts of cards. Thank you. Bye.